I got tons and tons of videos planned for the next few weeks, so make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Today we're unboxing the Sony A6400. We just got it in, and I'm so excited to check it out. This is going to be a quick unboxing video, but drop a comment below. I want to know what kind of content you want to see in regards to the Sony A6400. Do you want to find out what lenses are great for it? Do you want me to compare it to the Canon EOS R? Or maybe you want to find out how to actually mount a microphone and also be able to see that flip-up screen? Drop a comment below. Let's do it. Let's get straight into the box. Currently shooting on only Canon cameras, so I haven't unboxed a Sony camera in quite some time. Super stoked. Inside, of course, get your user manual, some warranty info, typical. And then, when you open up the box a little bit more, some of the accessories you get the eye mount piece right here. You get one of these NP batteries. Oh my goodness, I know for a fact you'll need more, but I've heard that the Sony A6400, they've actually made it so that the battery life is better, even though it's still the same battery. You get a little Sony Alpha neck strap. Not bad, pretty good quality. Honestly, I like this quality better than the Canon ones. And you get a little USB wall outlet charger, because you can also charge your camera with the battery inside, plugging it in via USB. And then, lastly for accessories, you get a micro USB cable. I really wish that the A6400 was USB-C, but who knows? Maybe the Sony A7S3 coming hopefully real soon will be USB-C. Last but not least for this unboxing, super quick today, is the Sony A6400, and my first impressions are, holy, I missed this camera body. The Sony A6500 was my previous favorite Sony body, and I gotta say, I missed this form factor so much. I actually like this form factor better than the A7 series, and I'm currently shooting on the 1DX Mark II, like I said, so this is a huge difference compared to that one, and I'm pretty stoked for this to potentially be my B cam. We'll see if they release another APS-C camera like the Sony A7000 or maybe A6700, and the A7S III. Definitely picking that one up, hoping for 4K 60. So, right off the bat, this unboxing, just like that, we are all done, and as a little bonus for you guys, I will leave this right here for you to kind of see, and then I will unbox the 10 to 18 millimeter lens. Let's check it out. This is my personal one lens recommendation for the Sony A6400 or any of the APS-C A6000 series Sony cameras. If you can only get one, I recommend this one. So, I did mention it before, but the A6400 retails for about 900 bucks. This lens also roughly around that price, close to 800, and I gotta say though, this is a 10 to 18 millimeter lens. Because of the APS-C 1.5 times crop, this is closer to a 15 to 27 millimeter lens. It's beautifully wide, it's very sharp, it's an f4 unfortunately, but it does have optical steady shot because inside of this body you do not get IBIS anymore, which is in-body image stabilization, so the sensor is not stabilized, but if you got a stabilized lens, from all the tests that I've seen, there's not that big a difference, so potentially I could be keeping this camera around. 10 to 18 comes with the little lens hood, and if you look closely, it does extend out just a tiny little bit. Not a lot though. The front element is actually bulbous, however, it is deep enough, concaved enough, where you can fit a filter on top of it. I do like that a lot. Something I found kind of interesting actually, the 10 to 18 box has changed. It used to be white, now it's orange like most of the other Sony lenses. Also, just so people know, the 10 to 18 millimeter lens takes a 62 millimeter filter thread, so keep that in mind when you're picking up a filter. I highly recommend a Zeiss UV filter as well as a variable ND filter from ProMaster. Links for all these different things if you want to pick up any of these items will be in the description below, especially if you want to pick up one of these lenses or cameras. You'll really be helping me out with a tiny little bit of commission from my Amazon affiliate links. If you're new to the Sony ecosystem or even YouTube in general, honestly the A6400 probably right now is my highest recommendation for a camera you should get. It shoots 4K at 30 and 24 frames per second. It's buttery smooth 4K, really like it. And it has that magical, my first time trying it, flip up screen. Oh man, that looks good. I like it. All right. Retailing for about 900 bucks, really not that bad for a 4K camera. I recommend you guys try this out in person for yourself, mounting it for the first time. Oh, I miss how small this rig is, guys. It is tiny compared to my 1DX. My 1DX is literally that tall compared to this camera. I'm shooting with it, so I can't really take it off to show you guys, but even the weight, the size, I'm really excited to try this out as a vlogging camera. And I hope you guys are excited because I've been filming a lot more vlogs of when I'm traveling with my wife, Catalina Island. Check out that new vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of content you want to see around the Sony A6400, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can find out when that next video comes out. My name is Jay with Novotech, and to the next one and beyond. Let's see if there's any juice in this battery. You guys are gonna see before me. Ah, dead battery. Well, again, this is just an unboxing, so make sure to stick around for the review / other content I film with this.